10 most common symptoms of bad gasoline. Gasoline contamination is not an everyday thing but not unheard of. Do you feel the car a bit stiff or sluggish to the commands when driving? Does the vehicle produce sputtering and other unusual noises? Bad gas could be the reason, and it may cause damaging effects if you don't take prompt action. Learning about the symptoms of bad gas in car is the best prevention to take in this regard. In some marginalized countries in Africa, low-octane level gasoline are often found in 8 out of 10 gasoline stations you will come across on daily basis. In this regards, if you have a performance car, it will be a red flag to randomly pop gas from most gasoline stations in Africa, as you may not know which specs of gasoline that you are about getting into your gas tank. Which the aftermath can be very devastating as listed as you continue to watch this video. The engine fuel has to be clean for the engine to perform at the peak level. Even the slightest contamination can affect performance. Any substance that is not an element of the fuel will be considered a pollutant. So, water in the gas tank will also create symptoms of bad gasoline. In this context, it's ideal to classify low-octane level fuel to be bad, as it starved the engine the quality ingredients it needs to perform optimally. Why does fuel turn bad? Before going to get no symptoms of bad gas in car, let's find out the reason why the fuel turns bad. There are few reasons behind this phenomenon, and they can damage your car seriously. Evaporation. The first thing that happens to stored fuel is the chemical inside evaporates. For the small vehicle, petrol is the perfect fuel because it evaporates easily to form combustible, mix with air. Unfortunately, when it sits unused, its more volatile components evaporate, leading to poor engine performance. It is actually difficult to test how much punch of your fuel has lost, but you will see the generator running harder and louder than usual. Oxidation. Another usual reason for the bad fuel is oxidation. Some of the hydrocarbons in the petrol will react with the oxygen to produce new molecules and peroxides, none of which are ideal to have in your engine or fuel tank. If your car faces oxidation, you will be told clearly by the odor of the fuel, since it has a strong sour smell, similar to varnish or paint thinner. Besides, you can see the oxidation symptom by pouring the fuel into a glass. The color of the fuel will turn dark, and you will also see some gum under the glass. Contamination. The last problem which causes symptoms of bad gas in car is contamination. Water is the main perpetrator in this situation. It gets into the container by condensation as temperature's unstable. If the gas is relatively fresh, there are fuel additives on the market that combine with the water in the tank or engine to make it combustible. Another possible reason is bacteria and algae growth, but it is not common. Symptoms of bad gas in car. Optimum engine operation and performance depend on high-grade, clean oil in the tank. When any outside substance gets into the tank or the oil gets dirty, for not maintaining oil changing schedule, you will notice these bad gasoline symptoms. 1. Trouble with acceleration. The problem involves getting a late response when pushing the gas pedal. Engine hesitation could be the byproduct of contaminated oil in the internal combustion chamber. The late acceleration will be more visible when you try to speed up. Sometimes, the car may not accelerate at all. 2. Engine premature failure. If you are driving your higher performance car and suddenly you experience engine catastrophic failure, this can most times be confused for lack of adequate maintenance as recommended by the manufacturer. However, this is not often the case, as bad gasoline has been discovered to be a contributing factor leading to premature engine failure. This doesn't only affect high-performance cars, regular cars are not excluded outside the horror of bad gasoline, as it tends to rapidly shorten the lifespan of the engine. A proof to this fact is the reason why used engine is the most high-priced commodity in Africa and Nigeria precisely. 3. Poor gas mileage. Most drivers who are going through the torture of bad gas mileage will be spending a lot in different mechanics' garage and parts stores trying to solve their bad gas mileage issues, replacing one parts to another while still purchasing gasoline, which it specs it's not indicated. And this case will choose to blame external factors. However, a bad gasoline has been found to be leading cause of poor fuel economy in most modern vehicles. A simple look at your gas tank door will give you a hint about the right gasoline specs for your car model. Anything less can pose more troubles to the well-being of your car engine. 4. Engine underperformance. If your you suddenly starts experiencing engine underperformance and a sudden frequent trip to gas stations, look no further, as it is obvious you may have switched getting gasoline from a trusted gas station, maybe due to emergency gas shortage while on a trip outside the territory you are very familiar with. Although not to be exhaustive, bad gasoline may likely slip through even the most trusted gas stations sometimes. The solution to this before going further is to add some fuel stabilizers. If you are far from trusted gas stations, fuel stabilizers may be your only option. However, if your wallet is not experiencing winter, you may drain out the bad gas completely out of your tank and get another. Third alternative measures is to top off the gasoline in your tank with a better gasoline in ratio of 1:2 or 3. 5. Engine knocking. When your car starts to experience engine knocking, lots of factors can be the cause. However, most oftentimes even the best mechanics garage often forget to look out for bad gasoline or gasoline that have lower octane levels, as these can subsequently create engine knocking. If every other factors that is capable of causing engine knocking has been checked and validated to be out of the equation, you may be dealing with bad gasoline or low octane level gasoline. 6. Car will not start up. There are literally too many reasons that can prevent your car from starting up, from engine electronics, electrical issue, fuel delivery, lack of compression, and so much more. However, a bad gasoline in your car can equally prevent your car from starting up. If you have confirmed the fuel delivery system to be at top-notch, sparks, injector pulse, and compression to be intact, then you may be harboring a bad gasoline inside your gas tank. The solution in this situation is to drain out the fuel completely, or reduce the fuel level to quarter, then fill the gas tank with fresh fuel and your car should fire up. 7. Irregular changes in speed. Since symptoms of bad gas in car include issues with acceleration, inconsistent speed changes will be a part of the problem too. Driving speed may change even when you barely press the gas pedal or not at all. Such behavior is puzzling, but a simple solution might be just changing the oil. 8. Car stops running. The signs of bad gas can cause a sudden suspension of engine operation in the middle of driving. It happens when internal combustion cannot yield adequate power that the engine requires to run. 9. Engine struggles to kick off. The engine often struggles to start off when an external element like water is mixed in the fuel. There are several reasons for water to end up in the fuel tank. When you face this issue, you must check the condition of the gasoline in your tank. 10. Damaged fuel filter or fuel pump. Another sign in series symptoms of bad gas in car is the damaged fuel filter. The function of a fuel filter is exactly as its name suggests, filtering out the dirt and sediments and keeping the gas in the tank clean. A damaged filter means compromised filtration, resulting in debris and dregs in the tank. Your car maintenance schedule should include inspection of the fuel filter to make sure that the engine is getting supplies of dirt-free oil. How to avoid contaminated gasoline. You already know the bad gas in car symptoms. Now let's find out how to avoid contaminated gas. To avoid the bad gas where possible, it is suggested using the correct octane for your car, avoiding the use of old gas, and always buying from the well-known gasoline stations. The main reason behind this is that some thieves steal fuel from an underground storage tank and store it in other trucks and resell the fuel at low price. The delivery from the storage bank to the trucks may leak and get wet. The fuel has not been stored properly and is much more likely to have significant amounts of water or sediment in it. Another possible reason is the gas station changes the gasoline ratios of mid-range gas to create a more profitable blend. So that mixture may contain water, or some gum, or even sediment. Another possible reason is the fuel distributors mix the fuel with other things to earn profit from it. So even if the retailers are trustful, there is a chance that you still buy bad gas. Therefore, choosing a trustful gasoline store is really important. You may not be able to avoid the other cause of symptoms of bad gas in car, but you can avoid contaminated gas by choosing good fuel for your car. If you have made it this far, I am certain that you have acquired knowledge that will save you fortune in future, if not now. Do well to share this information with your friends and family, as it will be a stitch in time for better days. I remain your host, Dr. Cool Auto Fix. See you around.